Hello, students. Welcome to Universal Classes again. After a long period, we are again with you sharing some questions and answers of geography, resources, and development. The question starts like this. What is a resource? There are four options. One is right. You have to take one correct answer. So it is extracts from environment, technologically accessible, economically feasible, and culturally acceptable. Second question goes like this. The process of transformation of things available in our environment involves an interactive relationship between nature, technology, and institutions. How do human beings interact with nature? Through technology, through nurturing environment resources, थ्रू इंडस्ट्री. तो इसमें मेरे ख्याल से होना चाहिए थ्रू थ्रू नर्चरिंग, थ्रू एक्सपेरिमेंटल एडवांसेस. Are resources free gifts of nature, and how? They are not. Resources are a function of human activities. So the next question lies here, that is, how are resources qualified? On the basis of origin, on the basis of utility, on the basis of distribution, on the basis of potential. It is, to my mind, it will be on the basis of origin. Now, what are biotic resources? Where are biotic resources obtained from? It is obtained from biosphere and have life such as human beings, flora and fauna, fisheries, livestock. And where are abiotic resources obtained from? It is reproduced by physical, chemical, or mechanical processes composed of non-living things. So what are renewable resources? These which can be renewed or reproduced by physical, chemical, or mechanical processes. Give examples of renewable resources. First, that is wind energy, tidal energy. Now, solar energy also you can say. Give examples of non-renewable resources, minerals and fossil fuels. Which of these are resources based on ownership? It is individual resources. Give examples of community-owned resources. Public parks, playgrounds, grazing grounds, burial grounds. Give examples of national resources. Minerals, water resources, forest, wildlife, land. What are potential resources? Potential resources are those which are found in a region but have not been utilized. What are developed resources? That is resources which are surveyed and their quality and quantity have been determined for utilization. What is a stock? Minerals or materials in the environment which have the potential to satisfy human needs, but human beings do not have the appropriate technology or access these. Human beings use the resources indiscriminately, and this has led to the following major problems. What are these problems? Accumulation of resources in few hands. What is sustainable development? Development should take place without damaging the environment, keeping in mind the future generation. Why do we need resource planning? We need to do resource planning because of enormous diversity in the availability of resources. What does resources planning in India involve? Surveying, mapping, and qualitative and quantitative estimation and measurement of the resources. Why is conservation of resources important? It is important because irrational consumption and overutilization of resources may lead to socio-economic and environmental problems. Which type of land is not used for cultivation? Land put to non-agricultural uses, for example, buildings, roads, factories, etc. What are fallow lands? That is, current fallow left cultivation for one or less than one agricultural year. What is the total geographical area of India? 3.28 million square kilometers. Wasteland includes rocky, arid, and desert areas. So students, first 25 questions मैंने आज बताया, उसके आंसर भी बताए, और बाकी 25 और क्वेश्चन कल मैं आपको बताऊंगा आंसर के साथ। और यूनिवर्सल क्लासेस ने एक टेलीग्राम अकाउंट बनाया है जिसका लिंक नीचे दिया जा रहा है डिस्क्रिप्शन में, और जो आप वहां भी जाके चेक ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, और अपडेट हर एक एसएसटी सब्जेक्ट का आप वहां पे क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स देख सकते हैं। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो।